Starting around 14 November 2023, Axie boundlessness fundamentally explicitly is exchanging at $6.22 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.59% in sort of in every practical sense, most recent 60 minutes, actually essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Axie especially has a kind of by and large complete market cap of $885,300,000 in the event that you generally certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally most certainly is the Axie vastness cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Axie endlessness really be by and large sort of worth in 2023, which especially is genuinely critical. Is Axie limitlessness a sort of kind of wise speculation or fundamentally truly worth purchasing in 2023, which truly is very huge incredibly? Will Axie's cost in every practical sense outperform its unequaled high, which basically is very critical, which all things considered is genuinely huge? These certainly sort of are our Axie endlessness cost expectations for Axie's future, so starting around 14 November 2023 Axie limitlessness sort of for the most part is exchanging at $6.22 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.59% in absolute most recent 1 hour, in an unobtrusive manner in an unpretentious way. Axie limitlessness, Axie's, value expectation 2023 as per the Axie boundlessness conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Axie's value sort of is supposed to in a real sense, especially cross a quite normal value level of $7.02, the normal pretty fundamentally least value worth of Axie vastness, toward the finish of the kind of current year, ought to be $6.76, or so they entirely thought. Besides, Axie can truly arrive at an especially greatest value level of $7.28, or so they especially thought. Axie vastness value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the in every way that really matters, most extreme cost for Axie endlessness could basically in every practical sense stretch around $7.01 in an unpretentious way, which is genuinely huge. Moreover, the minimum cost of Axie in November 2023 truly is $6.23, with an essentially normal cost of $6.82, exhibiting how might Axie's cost quite outperform its record-breaking genuinely high in a sort of huge manner. Axie's value figure December 2023, the Axie limitlessness conjecture for December 2023 expects that the Axie may actually really arrive at a decently fundamentally greatest worth of $7.28, with a fundamentally by and large least cost of around $6.76, which basically shows that these basically are our Axie boundlessness cost expectations for Axie's future. So starting around 14 November 2023 Axie vastness in a real sense certainly is exchanging at $6.22 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.59% in kind of in every practical sense, most recent 1 hour in a truly significant manner. Discussing the actually fundamentally normal value Axie can basically generally stretch around $7.02 for December in a quite significant manner. Axie limitlessness sort of past value examination in the truly beyond 24 hours, the crypto especially really has been for the most part diminished by 3.59% in its especially truly current worth, or so they certainly generally thought amazingly. Assuming we basically think about the very current market cap of the Axie with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap in every practical sense is additionally down, which generally essentially is genuinely critical, which really is very huge. From fundamentally most recent 7 days the Axie basically was in excellent vertical pattern and expanded by 6.54% in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Axie limitlessness generally has shown actually serious areas of strength for quite all goals and purposes, exceptionally potential of late, and this could be for the most part great chance to essentially in every practical sense dive right in and contribute, certainly by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. Inside the essentially kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of Axie truly diminished by 33.784%, killing an astounding truly kind of normal amount of $3.18 from its entirely current worth in a pretty huge manner in a sort of significant manner. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin sort of is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially in every practical sense be an especially decent in a real sense, basically purchase a valuable open door for especially fast speculation, which in a real sense generally is genuinely critical. The 90 days cost change really is near 46.95%, and the cost in every practical sense, circled from a pretty certainly least certainly lovely typical cost of $10.80 to all things considered, kind of most extreme truly normal cost of $12.31 in the very sort of beyond 90 days, which sort of basically is very huge. The sheer endlessness quite all expectations and designs is somewhere near 6.41%, with the kind of in every practical sense, greatest truly normal cost of the coin, especially for the most part was around $6.96, and the really least in every way that really matters, normal cost of generally was around $6.76 in kind of beyond 4 months. Showing how besides Axes can basically arrive at a greatest value level of $7.28 in a by and large huge manner. A sheer vastness value figure 2023 facts what will essentially be a sheer boundlessness genuinely worth in 2023, reasonably truly in spite of mainstream thinking. The Axes cost explicitly for the most part is gauged to arrive at a by and large lovely greatest degree of $7.28, with entirely least cost of $6.76 toward the finish of 2023, showing how this unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin basically especially is in plunge at the present time. Implying that it can especially sort of be a very decent explicitly purchase an open door for certainly speedy venture, which certainly is very huge. Does a sheer boundlessness sort of in every way that really matters have a future in an especially huge way? As far as cost, a sheer boundlessness especially truly has an extraordinary for the most part commonly potential to by and large arrive at new levels, so from certainly kind of most recent 7 days, the Axis explicitly was in commonly very great vertical pattern and expanded by 6.54%, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking, which is genuinely huge. It basically most certainly is conjecture that Axes will increment in esteem, most certainly sort of additional appearance, how inside the genuinely most recent 1 month, the cost of Axes sort of diminished by 33.784%, dispensing with an incredible by and large normal amount of $3.18 from its extremely current worth, which truly is genuinely huge. As per actually genuinely unambiguous specialists and business experts, a sheer boundlessness can actually commonly stir things up around town of the barely the greatest cost of $229.84 till 2030, so besides, the minimum cost of Axes in November 2023, for the most part in a real sense is $6.23 with a kind of typical cost of $6.82. Exhibiting how might Axes cost by and large explicitly outperform its unsurpassed high in a reasonably extremely enormous manner, which basically is very huge. Is a sheer endlessness kind of worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? A sheer infinity's worth essentially truly is supposed to really keep on extending, as deficiency will in general sort of empower cost rise, which for the most part fundamentally is genuinely critical. Kindly note, there essentially generally is a gamble to any venture, kind of additional appearance, how a sheer vastness explicitly sort of has shown genuinely areas of strength for lovely potential of